that name brand single serve coffee maker is expensive. I found this one on Amazon. This is such a great value. Excuse me. This does up to 12 ounces. You can see the measurements right here. You pour the water in right there. I mean, this is super simple to use. And here's the plug. It does have a short cord. It comes with both of the attachments that you need to use the cups that you buy at the store and to also pour loose coffee in, which is awesome. I have had the name brand one, the expensive one, and I had to buy the one that you put your own coffee grounds in. I had to buy that separate. So this is a really good deal. This opens up. Like I said, you can use either one of these. This one is for the ground coffee, or this one you put one of the store-bought cups in. But this is perfect. This is perfect. This is also very small, very slim, lightweight. So this is going to be good for my counter. I only drink coffee generally during the winter when it's chilly, and I only drink 1 cup a day, and I don't even drink a big one. So this is perfect for me. This is small enough you could put this in a camper, or you know, if you have a mobile home and don't have a lot of counter space. But this, and it's small enough, you know, it will fit into a cabinet without any problem. Now the best feature of this, it descales. You can descale with this. When the light comes on, there's a descale light right here on the top. When the light comes on, it lets you know that it's time to descale it. We have hard water, so I can't tell you how much trouble we have with things that need to be descaled. And that's what actually happened with my old coffee maker. So when the descale light comes on, you put 12 ounces of water and you put the descaler in the water and you run that through, and it will help descale it. So I absolutely love that. That is a really cool feature. I have not seen that on any of the other single serve coffee pots. So highly recommend this one.